So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very, very good evening to one and all. So, we have a very special guest with us. We have Aruna Kelkar and we have Coach Sulagna. And what I was informed that Aruna was having gas issues from almost 3 years, 1 to 3 years, hypertension from 2 to 3 years, stress and knee problem. And today she is out of her health issues. So I'll come directly to Aruna. And Aruna, how has been your journey with the Sulagna? And then I'll come to the angel coach Sulagna. So over to you, Aruna. Please throw some light. How has been your journey in naturopathy? Your smile tells all, but I would like to know from you. Thank you.
हेलो मैं गो नेचर से लास्ट 3 to 4 मंथ से कनेक्टेड हूँ. फर्स्ट आई सॉ योर वीडियो, देन आई जॉइंड एज अ सिल्वर मेंबर, देन 1-to-1 फॉर 1-to-1 कोच दिस आई जॉइंड गोल्ड. और सुलग्ना मेरी बहुत अपने ठीक कहा एंजल ही है वो. और उन्होंने जो भी मेरे को डाइट दिया ना, तो स्टार्टिंग में मुझे एक फनी एक है, लेकिन ऐसा लगता था कि ये मुझे कुछ दवाई क्यों नहीं दे रही है, सिर्फ डाइट ही क्यों दे रही है. तो बाद में धीरे धीरे मेरे को समझ में आने लगा कि ये डाइट ही मेरी दवा है. और मैंने मीन्स आई डोंट से 100%, लेकिन 80-85% मैंने सब फॉलो किया, जिससे मेरी काफ़ी बीमारियां ठीक हो गई. मेन तो मेरा बीपी था, और वो भी मेरी सिस्टर का सैड डिमाइस की वजह से थोड़ा ज़्यादा था. तो उसकी वजह से मेरे को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस था. तो उसके लिए भी उन्होंने काफ़ी मुझे हेल्प किया उससे बाहर आने में, और थोड़ा मेडिटेशन वगैरह किया. और अभी मैं ठीक हूँ. नी प्रॉब्लम भी काफ़ी कम हो गई है, वेट कम हो गया है मेन, उसकी वजह से भी अच्छा लग रहा है एकदम. और नाउ आई एम हैप्पी.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Aruna, for sharing your experience. I'll come to the angel coach, Sulagna. Sulagna, how has been your journey with Aruna?
Yeah. Hi everyone. I think I'm audible.
Yes, loud and clear.
Yeah. So actually, I was assigned as coach to Aruna, and because of her sister's sudden demise, she was going through like too much of depression. I counseled her, and she came out of it. The main positive thing about her is she has a very positive approach towards life.
Wow.
And she has lot of trust on me. I think she's getting emotional. And she followed the diet 80-85%, and sometimes she travels because traveling is a hobby, and she also loves to listen old semi-classical songs, and she reads books, and she loves traveling. And she was having this BP, knee pain, and I think gas and bloating. So all these are, she was taking BP medication before. Now she's out of the medicines, and now she's enjoying her time with her grandchildren, and she is happy. She has reduced, I think, how much? 7 kgs, I think. Yeah.
Wow.
She's feeling very active now. And yep. So she has a very positive approach towards life. So
Great.
thank you, Aruna ji, for trusting
Amazing.
us and trusting naturopathy. Yeah.
Amazing. Well done, Aruna. So proud of you, and thank you for showing faith in us, for showing
Thank
faith
you.
in naturopathy and Sulagna. And more power to you, Sulagna. भगवान आपको ऐसी हजारों क्लाइंट्स दें, हजारों क्लाइंट्स के फैमिली मेंबर्स दें, एंड आप उनको ऐसे ठीक करते रहो. Proud of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Amazing.